Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check YouTube Shorts video tags. So from here, the first step is to open the YouTube app on this Android device. You can also open in iOS. So from here, I will just tap to upload a short YouTube short. So I will just hold the red button and just record it. Some of short. So I will record it for 13 to 14 seconds of shorts. So after this procedure, you will just tap to tick and just tap to next. So after add details in, you have to find tags. So you will see that directly there is no option to tag. So from here you will just tap on the caption and just add to hashtag. To make hashtag, type hash and after hash of the most viral keywords you will use and keep the viral video. You will see these words in millions. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.